Okay. Consider a family of straight lines x plus y. Okay. Consider a family of straight lines x plus y plus lambda into 2x minus y plus 1 equals to 0. Find the equation of the straight line belonging to this family that is farthest from 1 comma minus 3. Okay. So what I have to do? I have to find out. So this particular equation x plus y plus lambda into 2x minus y plus 1, this denotes a family of lines, okay, where lambda is a parameter. Okay, lambda is a parameter. This is called a parameter. This is called a parameter. Okay, this is called a parameter. So this parameter, so for different values of this parameter, like lambda can be 1 2 3 for any integer or any real number, and for different values of this lambda we are going to get different equations. Okay, we are going to get different equations. That is why this particular equation is called family of straight lines. Okay, I have to find one family member, okay, from this family of straight lines which will be farthest from 1 comma minus 3. Now this is a sum which is a combination of equation of straight line and maxima minima. Okay, so this particular sum is a combination of straight lines and maxima minima. Maxima minima is a part of application of derivative. ঠিক আছে, maxima minima is a part of application of derivative. শুনতে পাচ্ছ তো ঠিকঠাক?
হ্যাঁ স্যার হ্যাঁ।
So now you see, so what I have done, first of all I have clubbed the x and the y coefficients in one place. Okay, so till here, so till here what I have done, I have clubbed the x and y coefficients in one place. 1 plus 2 lambda within bracket x plus 1 minus lambda within bracket y plus lambda equals to 0, right? Now this particular, so the equation that I want to find out will fall under this family, right? That means the equation, the required equation will be obtained from this parametric equation only, right? Now and the required line has to be farthest from this particular point. Now you know the distance, how to find out the distance between a point and a straight line, জানো তো? How to find out
হ্যাঁ
distance
স্যার
between a point and a straight line?
হ্যাঁ স্যার জানি।
So কি করছি দেখো, putting 1 in place of x over here, right? So 1 plus 2 lambda into putting 1 in place of x plus 1 minus lambda into putting minus 3 in place of y plus lambda whole divided by root over square of the coefficient of x 1 plus 2 lambda whole square plus square of y's coefficient 1 minus lambda whole square plus lambda square. All right, on simplifying I am getting this. Okay, okay, so L is equals to, so we are getting L is equals to this thing, 6 lambda minus 2 divided by root over 2 plus 2 lambda plus 6 lambda square, right? This is the value of L I am getting. Now what I have done over here, for maximum distance, this is a new thing, Nobonil, that you will learn in class 12 actually, in application of derivative. Whenever we want to find out the maximum or minimum value of something, we have to differentiate that with respect to the with respect to the independent variable and equate it to 0. Okay, so here I need to maximize this L, right? Because that is what is given. Find the equation of the straight line belonging to this family that is farthest, right? So that means L has to be maximum. Yes or no? বুঝতে পারছো কি বলছি?
হ্যাঁ স্যার হ্যাঁ।
L has to be maximum, and in order to maximize a variable I need to differentiate that variable with respect to the independent variable. So what I'm doing, I'm differentiating L with respect to lambda because L is dependent on lambda, okay? And I'm equating it to 0. This is the process to find out, to maximize or minimize something. Whether you want to maximize or minimize, just differentiate it with respect to the independent variable and equate it to 0. when you do that, now derivative এর নর্মাল u by v রুল শিখেছিলাম, মনে আছে? Derivative at u
হ্যাঁ
by v
স্যার
rule,
মনে
v
আছে।
du dx minus u dv dx divided by v square equals to 0, right? So this is what we are doing over here. So this is u by v, so this is your u and this is your v. Okay, so u by v you are differentiating. This is just simple differentiation. So v du dx minus u dv dx, okay, and then whole divided by v square equals to 0, right? That is what we get, whole divided by v square equals to 0. But that whole divided by v square I mean sorry, and then we get a denominator, right? Whole divided by v square, but that whole divided by v square has been transferred to this 0 part and it has been made already 0, so that I didn't have to write that whole divided by. বুঝতে পেরেছো কি করেছি? ওকে, এখানে u by v রুল ফলো করেছি, v du dx minus u dv dx divided by v square হয় তো, এখানে v টা কি, এখানে v টা হচ্ছে এই নিচের পোরশনটা, কিন্তু v স্কয়ারটা যে করব আমার তো এই সাইডে 0 আছে, তাহলে আমি ডাইরেক্ট v স্কয়ারটা 0 দিয়ে মাল্টিপ্লাই করে দিয়েছি, ঠিক আছে?
ওকে স্যার।
বুঝতে পেরেছো তো?
হ্যালো। হ্যাঁ স্যার হ্যাঁ।
Okay, now you see, now this is simple calculations, simple calculation. Now I'm just solving it, basic equation solving. Okay, this is just basic equation solving and I'm getting only one value of lambda, because the lambda square portion is getting cancelled out. I'm getting lambda as 7 minus 7 by 9. I'm getting lambda as minus 7 by 9. Okay, but that's it, I have got lambda. Now see, as I told you that this particular equation, it denotes a parametric equation, right? Parametric equation means what? For different values of lambda I'm going to get different equation of straight line. So for this particular case where the straight line is farthest from 1 comma minus 3, my value of lambda has to be minus 7 by 9. So I'm just going to put this lambda minus 7 by 9 into this equation. Okay, and what I'm going to get, I'm going to get the equation of my required line, which is this. বুঝতে পেরেছো?